This is Andrew. Welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to explain to you about comparison of variables and how you can compare two variables, for example variable A and variable B, and you'll be able to get a result as true or false. So I'm going to take you through the comparison operators. I worked on a file before, a previous video. If you can go through the previous video, I already defined the variable A as 100 and the variable B as 200. So we want to start applying what we call comparison operators. So I'm going to, this part is going to be for comparison operators. Okay, comparison operators. So we want to compare A and B in terms of greater than, less than. In PHP, if you want to use equal to, don't forget it should be two equal signs. I struggled with this for some time when we were starting PHP, forgetting that these are supposed to be equal sign. And then this one, greater than or equal to, and then I have less than. So this is greater than or equal to, and this is less than or equal to, and then we move to not equal to. There's this one as well. So these are the different comparison operators I'm going to explain. So without further ado, let me explain to you how these operators work. For example, there's something I also need to explain, that if you want to put comments in your code such that this line of code is not executed, because now if I save this file, save file, and I open my browser, I need to open my browser. Let me show you how you can open the browser and open this file index. Of course, it is under localhost. In the previous videos, I explained to you how to use WAMP server and to locate the files you're putting on localhost, because you want to use your your laptop at home, or an office which is not connected to an internet service provider, or to a company that can provide you with the hosting your website. So you need to improvise a WAMP server. So I already start my WAMP server, and so I use the Internet Explorer. So my file is under training, under localhost, and training, and localhost training. So the reason why I'm getting an error straight away is because I've opened the right file, yes, but the error is because of this. I didn't echo these, but in order to manage these errors, I put comment there, comparison operators, and you put two forward slashes like that, and that's how you put comments, because you may need comments in your scripts, in your as you're programming. So even the comment here was you could put these are arithmetic when I'm adding, subtracting, arithmetic operators, arithmetic operators. So these are comparison operators. So I already know that I need to take you through greater than, less than, equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. So even if I get rid of this, so let me save, and I check out to see my files, to see what it gives. Now I've got rid of the error, but now I need to do some comparison. So when you compare A and B, if I say A is A greater than is the variable A greater than variable B? Is variable A greater than variable B? Of course no. Variable A is less than variable B. So here what you'll get is false. Here you'll get false. Okay? Because variable A is 100 and variable B is 200. So variable A is not greater than variable B. But however, if I have to save time, is variable A less than variable B? Yes, and this will be true. Don't worry, I'm going to explain how you apply this. I'm going to give you some examples. However, if we go on, is variable A greater than or equal to variable B? Of course no. Again, this one would give us false. Then here is this one, the next one is variable A less than or equal to variable B? It is not equal to, but it is less than. So this will be true. Then we have another scenario where I want to say, is variable A not equal to variable B? Yes, of course it is not equal to. True. My friends, you have to understand this concept because you're going to find very many scenarios where you have to apply these things, these concepts. And then is variable A, let's check this out. Which other one have we left out? Greater than, less than. Yeah, there's this. Is variable A equal to? Is variable A equal to variable B? Don't forget equal to is double. No, this one returns false. Okay, so this is what we call comparing two variables. A variable can also be, say, let me give you some more examples. I add there more variables. A variable C is equal to Andrew, and then these variables can also be in form of strings, names. Variable variable D is equal to with a semicolon, and then this is variable D could be maybe J, maybe K, maybe Kate, and so I put the semicolon. So here I can even compare variable C and D by asking myself, is here you can't use greater than or equal to when they are letters or strings, but here I can even ask myself, is variable C equal to variable D? This will be false because Andrew is not Kate. But assuming that we had we had another variable here, ABCDE, another variable E here, Andrew, and I wanted to compare variable C equal to variable E. This one will be yes, it will return true. So this is what we call comparison operators, and they are very, very important in PHP. So let me give an example how to apply these comparison operators. Of course, these will return errors, so let me just keep them there by putting these 2 forward slashes so that they look like comments. Just keep them. But I'm going to apply now. I'm going to apply the concept in real world development of an application. So I'm going to give you a very simple example how you can apply this concept. So I'm going to use the if statement. If variable A is greater than variable B, now here the logic has started. We have started applying our logic to the variables. So this is how we apply if. I'm going to give you full video on if, but just illustrating this, I've started applying if. If you're going to use if a lot in PHP, if variable A is greater than variable B, then I want the system to echo yes, variable echo. The system will echo. Actually, it will be no. Variable A is not greater than. I want the system to echo this variable B. You see, and then you close. I want you to just have a very close look and see how this thing behaves, how the if behaves. The ifs are going to be again important as you are developing these applications. I hope I will not get an error, but never worry. If you get errors, the errors can always be fixed. So we have an error already coming up. Let me see where the error is, and I'll be able to fix the error. The error is here, so I didn't use double quotes. Okay, so I don't expect any other error. All of these will not return errors because they are blocked out. They are not executed. Once you put once you put these 2 slashes, double slashes, they will not get executed. So you come here and try again. I can see now. What do we see? Almost we see nothing. Not almost, we see nothing. It's because here you would have said if variable A is greater than variable B, do nothing. You just say we echo nothing. Errors here. Errors. Now the real programming has started. Errors echo. Variable A is not greater than variable B. Let's see what we get. Having done that, here we can do we can put something like, well, the result is false, but remember this is errors. Sorry about that. Errors. Let's see what we get. You see, the reason why it is part of modulus, because we have to put a break. So let me put a break here by echoing this, such that I can put it here, such that there is a break. I can even echo to such that there are two spaces provided. Okay. You see, variable A is not greater than variable B. So what the system has done, it has executed this part here. What the browser has done is executed this. It does nothing because the A, of course, is not greater than B. Even if we had stuff here, it will not execute it because it will check it, but it will only output this. You see, let me see what I get. And you see, it doesn't output the first part because the first part, this first part is false. But assuming that A, let me pick the one which is true. Is A less than B? I want to see whether it is going to execute this. I will say yeah. Okay, so let me check. Instead, it's going to execute this because A, it is true, A is less than B, and it will not execute this because it will execute this and stop here because this condition is true. So let's check it out. You see, yeah, A is less than B. Just another example, and you will find the example when you are trying to make login forms. I want to compare whether the variable C is the same as is equal to variable E. Let me check that. I've copied this on top. This time we are doing C. Is C equal to D? I'm expecting yes, it is equal to D. So here you will have a scenario where you are comparing the information someone has provided in the browser with the information in the database. That's how now you'll be able to use these comparison operators. So let me see what I get. Here I can say I can maybe output yes, just for purpose of illustration. So let me see. Because I know variable C is Andrew and variable D is Andrew. So come here, check. C is equal to D. So it should be C is equal to E. Don't worry if I make some mistakes. Again, it also helps you to know where the mistake is done. C, I'm comparing C with E to get to true. When it is true, it executes the first part, the yes. Here it executed the first part where we had here A is less than B, so we got YA. It executed that. Let me put another separator here, another break. I can as well use HR. HR means horizontal rule instead of so that I have a line. So you can see now I am using PHP with HTML, a mixture of PHP and HTML. So let me see what I get. You see this line, I echoed HR and yes. A is the variable A is equal to variable E. So it is important to understand these variables. Otherwise, these comparisons and variables and how you can write the if statements. I'll give you a full tutorial on if in order for you to write very good, robust applications in PHP. Let me end here for now for this session, and I thank you for listening to me. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos in PHP. Don't forget to hit the notification button if you want to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much, and bye for now.